Hey guys, look at what I'm going to open up today. I have a large Lambie Play-Doh surprise egg that's filled with toys, and I have Frozen and My Little Pony blind boxes, and I have My Little Pony Fashems. So let's begin. Let's start with the Fashems. The My Little Pony Fashems, here it is, and the My Little Pony Fashems is Series 3. Let's see here. It's Series 3. It's a possibility of 6 different characters. Okay, let's see if I can get through this tear slip. That seems to be my problem. I'm not going to give it. Let's see. Let's do this. There. Okay, let's open it up and see which one we have in here. Whoops. Okay. We have Rainbow Dash here. Here's Rainbow Dash. And she is not very squishy, but she's awfully cute. Rainbow Dash. There's her cutie mark. Beautiful colors. Okay, let's go. I think I'll do the next Fashem right here. Let's see if this one, and of course it's still the same, Series 3, possibility of 6 characters. And let's see which one we get in here. Whoa. Okay, this time we have Scootaloo, one of the Cutie Mark Crusaders, who does not have her cutie mark. Okay, there's Scootaloo. Let's move on to the Frozen box. The Frozen box has possibility of, I think it's 17 different characters. The odds differ, they vary. Some of them are common and some of them are quite rare. So let's open up and see which one we have. To me it feels kind of heavy. We'll open up and see what it is. Okay. We have in here, get my scissors out so I can open the bag inside. Feels like, I think I feel antlers like it's Sven. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, we have Sven. And here he is. Sven. Let's go on to the My Little Pony box now. My Little Pony, this is Series 3, and it's a possibility of 12 characters, and the odds of getting any of them are the same. And this feels, I think it feels heavy. Let me open it up. Let me get started with the scissors. There's a little hole. I guess I could have just... Let's open it up and see what we have in here. We have... Okay. We'll find out. It is it, oh, okay, this is Cheese Sandwich. That's the name of this little pony. And there you see the cutie mark is a cheese sandwich. See it? Cheese sandwich. And let's go to the last My Little Pony box. See what's in here. This feels lighter than cheese sandwich. Let's see who it is. I don't see an opening. Let's get the scissors and start it off. Okay. And it is, it's tiny. I wonder if it's spiked. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Who is it? It is! It's Spike. I have Spike. Oh, how cute is he? Okay. He is Twilight Sparkle's right-hand man. Spike. Now we're going to open up Lambie and see what I have in store for you guys. Here she is, right here. And I will take off her little bow, take her little ears out. There they go. And take off, can I take off her face? Her hair. Her hair. Oh, I'm tearing up her poor little face. No, Lambie, no, no, no. Okay, I'll open up the side and get inside and see what we have inside, okay? Here we go. Open up the side, take off her little dress, and see what's in here. There's the... Okay, I have a lot of Play-Doh here. We have inside of this egg, we have blind bags. We have Doc McStuffins, Kitty in my pocket, Hello Kitty, and we have Shopkins. So let's get busy with these. Let's start with the Shopkins, okay? Let me puncture it. There. There we go. Oh no, that didn't do it. All that, there. Okay. Here we go. Open it up and see what's inside. Oh, I should have told you that this was season 3. It's season 3. And we have 2 Shopkins in here. We'll see which one we have. Which items we have. I'll take the items out and get my list ready so that I can identify them. Here we go. Okay. So here's the first Shopkin. It is oh wow, it's a pretty little cake. Special little cake. Look how beautiful that is. A party cake. Let's see. It's under bakery. Surely it's bakery. Let's see. Bakery. I don't think it's Sweet Treat. I think here's bakery. And let's see if I see this cake in here. Bakery. Here it is right here. It's right here. It's Wendy Wedding Cake. Right there. Wendy Wedding Cake. And she is green, which means that she is rare. And here she is. Oh, let's see. We better get this looking. Okay, I think I can get that looking better than that. Hold on. Okay, that's better. That's much better. And then you can get to see the detail of the cake. Okay, now let's open up the second Shopkin. Here's the second one. And let's see what we have here. Oh, I've gotten these before. Pop. I think it was in the, was it in the bakery? I know that I've gotten it before. So where was it? It was in the sweet department. International food. Okay, I've gotten a couple of these. Question is, where was it? Oh, no. Okay, it said pop. I will look for it and get back with you because I'm not catching it right off. Hold on. Okay, so here it is right here. It is under Sweet Treats, and it is Pop Rock. There it is right there, Pop Rock. And here she is. And she is a common. Okay. So I will put her in the basket with the cake and continue my shopping. Okay, here I go. So now I have a Doc McStuffins bag that I'm going to open. And Doc McStuffins has a possibility of 17, or 4, 5, 10, 14 different characters. This is series 3. And we're going to open up and see who we have. Okay? Here we go. Let's see who we have. We have right here Bobby. And Bobby does not stay down. You knock him down and he bounces right back up. So this is Bobby. Okay. Let's go on to Hello Kitty. We have a Hello Kitty here. And this is series 1 Hello Kitty. And it has a possibility of 12 different characters. Well, they're all Hello Kitty, but she's in 12 different poses, I guess. Let's open it up and see which pose she's in. Let's see. She's in a bag here. Let's open up the bag and see how she is. Oh, I've gotten this so many times. She's in a band. She's playing the flute, or yeah, it looks like she's playing flute. Very cute. Very cute. Okay, and we have another one. This is a kitty in my pocket. It's series 1. And it's a possibility, I guess, of 24 or more. It looks like a bunch of them. I thought it said a number, but we'll see which one we have in here, okay? Okay, here we go. That didn't do it? Nope. Let's open it up then. Oh, the tear strip just didn't go straight across. Here, let's see which one we have. Oh, here we have a cute little kitty. I think they have a little something that tells you. Oh, they don't tell you. Okay, well, here she is. With her little bow around her neck. Looking quite cute. There she is. So we're down to our last little blind bag. And it's another Doc McStuffins bag. Series 3. That possibility of 14. One of them could be a rare one. Let's open it up and see which one we get this time. Here we go. The Doc is in. Oh, this is Millie. Millie is right here. And Millie is a karaoke machine. They use her as a mic. Doc does when she's having a talk with the other toys. So that's the last one. So now I'm going to line them up and see what we got today. Okay, guys? Hold on. Okay, guys. So this is what we opened up today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching my video. And if you did enjoy it, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.